Looking to upgrade your kitchen game? In today's video, we'll explore the best kitchen gadgets that save time, improve meal quality, and make cooking easier than ever. Stick around to discover the must-have tools that every home chef needs. Number 9. Air Fryer. Air fryers have taken the cooking world by storm, and it's easy to see why. With growing concerns about health and the negative impacts of fried foods, the air fryer provides an excellent alternative to deep frying, using little to no oil. Instead, it utilizes hot air circulation to produce that satisfying crunch we all crave in fried foods. Beyond just healthier frying, air fryers are incredibly versatile. Most models have a range of functions, including baking, grilling, and roasting, allowing you to cook everything from crispy French fries to perfectly roasted vegetables, and even desserts like cookies or donuts. Its compact size also makes it an excellent fit for small kitchens or dorm rooms, proving that even a small gadget can deliver big results. For families or individuals looking to cut calories without sacrificing flavor, an air fryer is an absolute must-have. Plus, the reduced oil means less cleanup, making it one of the most convenient gadgets on the market. Number 8. Instant Pot. The Instant Pot is the kitchen's Swiss Army knife. The Instant Pot simplifies cooking for novices and experts by performing pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, and yogurt making. Instant Pot quickness is a major benefit. Slow-cooked stews and tender pulled pork may be made in minutes. Risotto, which requires regular stirring and monitoring, may be made in under 30 minutes with little effort. Pressure cooking speeds up cooking by raising boiling water temperature under high pressure. But versatility continues. The Instant Pot can be programmed in the morning to cook a hot, ready-to-eat supper. This tool makes healthy meals easy for busy professionals, parents, and anyone who wants to cook without spending hours. The Instant Pot makes soups, yogurt, and cheesecakes. Number 7. Immersion Blender. If you've ever transferred hot soup to a blender only to make a mess, you'll understand why an immersion blender, also known as a stick or hand blender, is a kitchen essential. This handy tool allows you to blend ingredients right in the pot, cutting down on extra dishes and making cooking more efficient. Immersion blenders are perfect for blending soups, sauces, smoothies, and even baby food. They're highly portable and easy to clean, unlike traditional blenders that often have multiple parts to wash. Many models come with attachments such as whisks and mini food processors, increasing their versatility and making them suitable for tasks such as whipping cream, mixing batters, or chopping vegetables. For anyone who loves homemade soups or smooth sauces, an immersion blender will quickly become your go-to gadget. Its compact size also makes it easy to store, especially in kitchens with limited space. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 6. Sous vide machine. Sous vide cooking has been a secret weapon in professional kitchens for years, and now it's making its way into home kitchens. The sous vide machine allows for precise temperature control, which is essential for achieving perfectly cooked meals. By sealing food in a vacuum bag and immersing it in a water bath, the sous vide method ensures even cooking throughout the entire item, without overcooking the exterior. This level of precision is unmatched. For example, when cooking a steak, sous vide allows you to cook it to your exact preferred level of doneness, whether it's rare, medium rare, or well done, every single time, making it a nearly foolproof method. From meats to vegetables and even desserts, a sous vide machine will bring restaurant-quality precision to your home kitchen. Number 5. Smart Kitchen Scale. Accuracy is critical in the kitchen, especially in baking, where even small measurement errors can affect the final product. This is where a smart kitchen scale becomes indispensable. A good scale provides precise measurements, ensuring that your recipes turn out exactly as intended. Modern smart kitchen scales offer more than just basic weighing functions. Many of them sync with smartphone apps, offering detailed nutritional information, recipe suggestions, and portion control. Some even adjust ingredient measurements based on real-time data, such as humidity levels, ensuring that your results are consistent every time. For those following strict diets or meal plans, the ability to track calorie intake with pinpoint accuracy is an added bonus. For home bakers and culinary enthusiasts who prioritize precision. Number 4. Mandolin slicer. If you've ever tried to slice vegetables paper thin for a recipe, you know how challenging it can be to achieve uniform slices with a knife. Enter the mandolin slicer. This simple yet effective tool allows you to make perfectly uniform cuts with ease, whether you're slicing potatoes for gratin, cucumbers for a salad, or onions for caramelizing. Mandolin slicers come with multiple blade attachments, allowing for a variety of cuts including julienne, waffle, and crinkle. Number 3. Electric kettle. For tea lovers and coffee aficionados, an electric kettle is a must-have gadget. It boils water in a fraction of the time it would take on a stovetop, saving time and energy. Many modern kettles come with variable temperature settings, making it easy to brew delicate teas or coffee at the precise temperature for optimal flavor extraction. But the electric kettle isn't limited to hot beverages. It's a versatile tool for quick kitchen tasks like boiling water for pasta, blanching vegetables, or preparing oatmeal. Some high-end models even offer smart connectivity, allowing you to start the boiling process remotely via your smartphone. The electric kettle's combination of speed, energy efficiency, and versatility makes it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. Salad spinner. In order to wash and dry greens in a quick and effective manner, a salad spinner is an essential piece of equipment for anyone who enjoys eating salads. Your dressing will be diluted if you use wet lettuce or spinach, and it will also go bad more quickly if you store it. The use of a salad spinner is the solution to this problem because it completely dries your greens, guaranteeing that they remain crisp and fresh. Spinners can be used for a wide variety of purposes, not just for salads. They can also be used to wash and dry various vegetables, herbs, and even fruits like berries. There are also variants that come with a colander that is built in, which makes them useful kitchen gadgets that are capable of doing numerous jobs at the same time. Number 1. Electric can opener. Manually opening cans can be a challenging task, particularly for individuals who suffer from illnesses such as arthritis or other conditions that negatively impact grip strength. By automating the process, an electric can opener eliminates the inconvenient and makes it a breeze to complete. A magnetic lid holder is included in the majority of models, which helps to reduce the likelihood of spills and sharp edges. In addition, electric can openers are able to open a wide range of can sizes, from smaller soup cans to larger jars from the manufacturer. This device has the potential to save time and energy for individuals who frequently utilize canned items in their cooking, hence making the process of meal preparation more streamlined. People who may have difficulty using conventional can openers will find this to be an extremely helpful method. That wraps up our video to the best kitchen gadgets. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cooking hacks and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're excited to try.